Hey everyone! Look what I made today. These super cute pearl earrings. As promised, I've got a new easy jewelry DIY idea for you every single day. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my handmade, beginner-friendly jewelry ideas. All the materials I used in this video are listed down below in the description, so you can try it yourself. Tell me in the comments, would you wear these? And don't forget to tag your friend who'd love them too. Remember, with Odella Handmade Jewelry, making something beautiful is always easy and fun. See you in the next video.